Hey guys, we're in North Bay Road here in Miami Beach. Have an awesome broker tour. On Tuesdays, we do broker tours. We check out what inventory is on the market, taking a look at a couple single family homes. A lot of construction in this neighborhood. North Bay Road is actually what used to be home to like the Celebrity Row. So you have Ricky Martin, who used to have a place here, Enrique Iglesias. And if you notice, all of these waterfront lots, they're almost all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're all going under renovations right now. North Bay Road is definitely a sought after address. I think so, yeah.
Windows and everything.
It's not new construction, it's not a new house, but everything has been like renovated, updated, bathrooms.
But
I mean,
it screams like good quality.
Right.
That's what I feel like, right?
it feels solid.
Very solid.
Who just showed up to the open house? A
Alex.
billionaire?
Blah,
A
blah, blah.
billionaire from
Who got his
Harvard
wisdom teeth out?
That,
A billionaire.
Only in Miami.
Sophomore from Harvard.
Only in Miami.
well,
That's the most Miami thing I've heard all day.
With a fake prescription for
he got
Percocets.
He got detained yesterday. That's what he said at Tesla.
Love it. One of the things that I noticed is there's no sign. And I know that some sellers, privacy and everything, but if you're doing a broker's open, you're definitely gonna wanna put at least 1, 2, maybe 3, 4 signs out, just letting the brokers know that the house is open, come walk through, because the only reason that we went inside this house was because we saw an agent walk by, and we saw an agent walk in, or they looked like an agent, so that's why we walked in. Next one, okay, 4.45. Again, right across the street, so you can kind of see the water over there. Right across the street on the side that doesn't have water, you're gonna have odd numbers. On the waterfront side, you're gonna have even numbers on North Bay Road. Let's take a look on the inside. barbecue. Nice. Nice backyard. All right, what do we think?
$2 million doesn't get you very much in Miami Beach anymore,
No.
except potential. For
Yeah.
$2 million, you get potential.
It needs work.
Yeah.
It needs updates.
Yeah.
All right. Busy day, but very productive. Out of the 6 brokers opens that were on our tour, we hit up 4 of them. So I think that's a pretty successful day. Got to see some inventory that is new on the market, just stay up to date. And it was great being out with Tom and Andrea. But I really want to know, what did you guys think? I make these videos for you. So are you liking the Miami Beach tours? Are there any other parts of Miami that you'd like to see? We'd love to hear what you guys think down below in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. Also, make sure that you subscribe so you can stay up to date with all the broker tours. I'm gonna try to do these every Tuesday. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.